Hi, I'm Jenny Mateyoke with the Mateyoke Group at Keller Williams. Are you thinking about selling your home this summer? While it's still a strong seller's market, the gap is widening between homes that are market ready and those that aren't. To make your home a standout on the market, it needs to be as appealing and ready for buyers as possible. It's proven that more showings lead to a faster sale and a higher price. Today I'm sharing 3 tips to get your house ready for showings this summer. Number 1, take care of minor repairs up front. With higher interest rates and affordability being top concerns for buyers, they're looking to put down as much money as possible to reduce their monthly payments. Addressing cosmetic repairs up front is always a good idea, but it's even more critical in the current market. By handling these repairs now, you make your home more appealing and reduce buyer concerns. Number 2, do home staging. Think of an ideal model home. It's clean, move-in ready, and impersonal. Aim to make your home as close to this image as possible. Your home might have personalized touches like unique furniture, family photos, or bold colored walls. Try to depersonalize your home so prospective buyers can envision themselves living there. Packing things away now will also make moving easier once your house sells. And number 3, plan for accommodating as many showings as possible. Showings can be disruptful if your dog is barking in a crate. Work with your agent to create a schedule with specific times when your home is ready for buyers. This will make the process smoother for you and less disruptive for potential buyers. Make it easy for buyers to view your home by turning on lights and opening blinds before you leave. If you want a detailed plan or a list of repairs to make to your home before listing, please give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market. And as always, thanks for watching.